it is, look.
Oh wow, the view from here.
Lovely, isn't it?
Can you click that again, please?
After 300 yards, you have reached your destination.
They don't do neck curtains around here, do they?
No.
You have reached your destination.
Come on. No, it's fine. Oh, Godrevy Point.
Isn't it?
Yeah. There's a nice main road out as well. That's what I need. This is lovely, isn't it? I've never been through this bit, have I? It's so expensive here. Yeah. That was on I think. Enough like 4 seafood cafe and
Gravy. This way. He's going that way. How long we got there?
So I'm getting reports of heavy queuing traffic to about 5 miles of the A30 eastbound. That's from Tooby roundabout to Mitchell turn-off at Carnwall Cross. Travel time is around 30 minutes currently, so you may want to find an alternative route if possible. Slow traffic as well on Tamar Bridge, travel time about 10 minutes, and now a 3 ferry service running on the Point ferries currently, no delays. And of course, if you've got any other updates, you can get in touch in the usual way.
Yes, that wasn't the one I was thinking of. I was thinking of the one on the top. Cafe on the top.
Yeah, by the side of the Hell's Mouth.
Yeah.
Portrait mode for studio quality portraits and cinematic 4K video for just £22.99 a month. And when you join Tesco Mobile, you also get up to £40 a month for your Tesco shopping in store. Because we're the only network to give you Clubcard Plus for 6 months. See us in store or search Tesco Mobile. Tesco Mobile.
Turn this layout machine to about an but yeah, I was just reading the sign that car park before, that's fine. I like this one up here better.
I do.
So, let's talk about you. Actually, let's talk about me. Just for a minute. Because I was like you. In 14 years, I haven't done much exercise, but I knew I had to start. So, I got the couch to 5k out. From not being able to run for more than a minute, 9 weeks later, I was running for half an hour. It's simple, it's free, and it's all right now. With a little support, it's amazing what you can do. Join thousands of monthly users. Download the free 1U couch to 5k app. Because there's only 1U. MCNcareer.com 1U.
That time is still off on the thing.
The lock, yeah. Why did you want it to be on? Oh, it's just gone off.
I'll press you back on there again, please.
Quick and easy to get a quote. But all I need to tell you is that MCNcareer.com is a motor
Yeah, it's fucking ruined.
comparison site from MCN, the biking specialists. If you ride, it's sure through the experts.
That's a lovely view there, isn't it?
It is.
The past few months have been hard on everyone.
From top all week.
Going to a different car park.
Top there. What?
Whether it's listening to them talk about the challenges they're facing or helping them develop skills to cope with their emotions.
You going here? No.
Oh, there's a car in it.
Mental well-being can help them boost their
Right
mood,
up there.
feel good about themselves, and be more ready for life's challenges. For NHS group tips and advice,
I don't know there's this many people here.
No.
Buy the latest iPhone from Vodafone, and thanks to our annual upgrade promise, you can then get the latest iPhone every year with no upgrade fees. Yeah, you heard it right.
Thank you.
Trade in your iPhone after 12 months when you get a new plan, and you can enjoy that new iPhone feeling.
I can't remember
every
being
year.
like that.
It's a great time to switch to Vodafone.
Yeah, toilets have it there.
Vodafone.
We'll use the pot right at the top.
24 months term up front and monthly cost of the flat. Terms and exclusions at Vodafone.
You guys going here?
The Traeger fitted kitchen sale is now on. We always sell English house kitchens on the Mega.
Shall we go?
50% off.
Very nice. We've got to find a machines up there. No. There?
Oh, missed it. That was a good one, that was.
It would. Had a nice view, that one did. The end of it then.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I think to that idea.
Yeah.
An extra 15% off in our massive kitchen sale.
When we stayed indoors, the outdoors got greener. The air around us became so much cleaner. So let's get going. It's time to look ahead. Look after our future.
Ice and time.
So get back on board. We've got
I think I'll be sent